Hello everyone, welcome to Alan Cooking. Today I will share a recipe for making a drink that functions to increase platelets level in the blood. And these are the materials we will use. First of all, we peel the carrots. Cut them in small pieces and set them aside on a plate. Next, we peel the beets and cut them into small pieces to make it easier to blend in the blender. And then we put the beets and carrot pieces into the blender. We add 500 milliliters of water and we add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and we blend it together. After we blend it for 1 or 2 minutes, then we strain it. And next we put it into a serving glasses. We put 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of honey in the glasses and then we stir it. And here we are. The drink is ready. Okay everyone, let's keep taking care of our health. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoying our video. Click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.